Hi, here are the top 20 advanced lead management features of Solid Performance CRM. Number 1. Field customization. You can be able to customize all these fields as per your business requirement. So in this way, even if you belong to a real estate industry or a IT software industry, all these fields can be customizable as per your business requirement. You can also decide what fields you want to show it in the list page, what fields you want to show it in the quick view as well as in the add and edit page. Let me show you how to customize these fields as per your need. In order to do that, go to settings, and in here under lead settings, we have provided you with the option to customize the fields. So under field customization, all the default fields will be available. In case if you want to add a new field, you can add a new field and you can keep the name of the field. So let me keep a sample name as sample field, and we have provided you with the option to choose multiple field types. So you can choose either it as a text box or drop down or whatever other fields which are available. In case if you choose a drop down, you can also select whether you want it to be a multi-select drop down or a single drop down, and you can also enter the option. So what should be displayed in the drop down? So I'm mentioning it as A, B, C. And you can also enable this particular field in the list page, and you can also restrict your employees from editing this particular field. And in case if you want to hide this field to the employees and you want only the admin to see this, that is also possible. You can define the width of the field, and you can also define this field as conditional. So in terms of conditional, only if the condition is matching, then only this particular field will be visible. Once you have selected all these, you can add the field. And once the field is added, it will come at the bottom. You can also drag and keep this particular field in whichever location you want. And after that, you have to click on update field. In this way, you can simply customize all the fields as per your business need. And in case if you want to disable any of the existing fields, you can simply deactivate the status and then this field will be removed. So now if I go back to add lead, you can see this sample drop down field is coming here. And when you're adding a new lead, this particular field is available and you can choose whichever data you want to add. Number 2, integrations. With Solid Performance, you can integrate multiple lead sources. In order to do that, go to settings, and again under integration settings, we have provided you with lots of integrations. These integrations include cloud telephony, multiple lead aggregators like Just Dial Suleika or Google Lead Forms, social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, etc. etc. We have also got integration with Zapier so that you can easily integrate your Zapier account and integrate again 1000 plus lead sources in various ways. Number 3, automated lead allocation. Whenever you are receiving a lead from any source, automatically you can allocate these leads to a particular executive. Let me show you an example. If you go to Trade India, here you can choose all the executives to whom this particular leads needs to be assigned. So what happens is whenever a new lead is received from Trade India, it will get automatically allocated to these executives. In case if you choose multiple executives, then the leads will get allocated to these executives on a rotational basis. The same kind of setting is available for all the integrated lead sources so that you can choose which lead source lead should get allocated to which executive. So basically there is no need for you to allocate the leads manually to your sales executives. Everything will get allocated automatically to the executives. Number 4, dynamic data management. Dynamic data management basically means you can customize these stages and status as per your business flow in an easy way. Because this is primarily required when you want to move the stages as per your business flow. If I consider a real estate business, then they might be having various stages like initial discussion, site visit completed, negotiation in progress, and then it is booked or something like that. In case if you take some other software company, then the flow will be like meeting fixed, demo completed, quotation shared, in negotiation or in discussion, revised quotation sent, finalized quotation, PI sent, and invoice sent. So this might be various flows, right? Now this can be completely customized as per your business requirement. In order to do that, again go to settings, and in here under lead settings, we have given you the option for you to change all the stages as per your business need. You can again add new stages. And whenever you are adding a new stage, you can add the name in which order it needs to be displayed, that is first, second, third, fourth, like that. And then you can also choose the color combination. In case if you don't want particular stages to be displayed on the list page, you can also restrict that. In a similar way, you can also customize all the status as per your need. And with status, we have got additional options like you can keep all these status dependent on these stages. For example, if a particular status needs to be displayed only for a particular stage, then you can do that. This is how you can easily customize all the dynamic data available in the system as per your need. You can also delete that if required, or you can edit and rename the status if required. Number 5. Web lead forms and chatbot integration. With Solid Performance, you will get access to create unlimited web forms and free chatbots. In order to do that, go to settings, and under integration settings, we have given you the option to create web forms and chatbots. You can create unlimited web forms and add these forms in your website. There is no need to have any technical knowledge for creating these forms. All the lead fields will be available here, and you can integrate this easily with your website. You can check out the separate integration video of this web lead form as well as chatbot for better clarity. Number 6. Omni-channel notification. With Solid Performance CRM, you can get notified about your new leads, as well as you can also send alert to the lead who made the enquiry in various forms like email, SMS or WhatsApp. We have provided you with various separate integrations for WhatsApp, SMS or email, and you can perform the integration easily with the help of our settings panel. And once the integration is completed, you can easily perform all kinds of automations. Since you can easily send notification or reminder alerts in email, SMS, WhatsApp or push notification, even the sales executive as well as the lead will get completely informed about the discussion what is going on. Number 7. Automated welcome notification. With the help of Solid Performance CRM, you can easily send automated welcome email, SMS or WhatsApp to the lead who made the enquiry. In order to do that, go to automation settings, and under email, WhatsApp or SMS, you can easily perform the configuration. Since we have provided all these options, you can send automated welcome communication in any of these one channel or through all channels. The choice is yours. All these settings remain same, so I'm just going to email automation. Under this, if you click on add a new trigger, you can enter the trigger name and you can select the module as lead and lead created lead. So that means whenever a new lead is created, then send an email to lead. The same settings are available for WhatsApp as well as SMS automations. You can then define the email subject and what should be the trigger message. And in these trigger messages, you can send dynamic data as well. Dynamic data means if a person named Sam is making an enquiry, then automatically the mail will be sent in the name of "Hi Sam, we have received your enquiry," like that. So you can use all these lead fields in your shortcodes and send it as a dynamic content as well. Number 8. Automated follow-up and nurturing emails. With the help of these trigger automations, you can also send automated follow-up and nurturing mails. Let me show you how you can perform this automated follow-ups. You can create a trigger name as follow-up 1, and in here you are keeping a follow-up like lead created then lead, but send this automation after 1 day. Then this automated follow-up will be sent after 1 day of receiving the lead. In a similar way, once this automation is created, you can create another trigger after 2 days or after 3 days or after 1 week. In this way, you can perform automated follow-ups, and this is also an automated lead nurturing mails because you are sending follow-up mails on a continuous basis with proper time intervals, and the lead who made the enquiry will get to know about your product or service one by one. So in these nurturing emails, you can include contents like your achievements, why the lead need to choose your product, etc. etc. Number 9. Automated reminder alerts. Again, with the help of this same email trigger, you can send automated reminder alerts to your sales team to whom this particular lead is allocated. In order to do that, let me create a new trigger name as reminder alert 1. And this trigger should be triggered to the executive. So whenever a lead is created, then send an email to executive. And on what conditions? You don't want any delay, then you can keep it as 0, and then you can mention all other contents. In a similar way, you can also send these automated follow-up reminder alerts based on various conditions, like whenever a lead is created or updated or edited or allocated, or based on follow-up date and time, so that they will not forget the follow-up date and time. All these automations are easily possible with the help of Solid Performance, and you can do this setup also in less than 5 to 10 minutes without any technical knowledge. Number 10. Advanced filters with multi-selection. With Solid Performance, you can filter all your lead data based on various segregated formats. Let me show you that. In order to do that, click on filter, and in filter you will see all the drop downs which is available in the CRM is already created as a filter. And also we have created this new field which is a sample field, and this also created as a filter in the list page. This is because this is a drop down field and filter got created for this as well. This means in case if you are adding a new custom field and if that is a drop down, you can create a filter for that as well. And most important thing is in the filter you can choose multiple items also for a single filter. So I'm choosing 3 status over here and I'm selecting 2 more filters here, and then you can filter the data, then it will show the result of this particular data. In case if you want to filter based on the dates like from and to date, or based on the updated date, expected date of closure or closure date, everything is possible with Solid Performance CRM. You should have a very good filter function with a lead management software in order to filter all your data as per your requirement, and Solid Performance CRM is one of the best CRM which is having all these filters in an efficient manner. Number 11, bulk upload of leads. You can easily upload all your existing leads in bulk so that all the data, if you are managing it through Excel or anything else in the past, can be imported into the CRM directly in one click. You can simply download the sample format, fill the data and upload the format. You also have got the option to import the duplicate data, or if you don't want to import the duplicate data, you can also restrict that as well. Number 12, follow-up updates and communication history. Whenever you are performing a follow-up for a particular lead, for example, for this Jacqueline, I'm going to add a follow-up as I need to follow up with this lead after 3 or 4 days and at what time I need to perform the follow-up, and I'm changing the stage from engaged to proposal and I'm changing the status to proposal sent. I'm writing the comment as well. I'm adding the follow-up like asked for 5-member quotation recently, have sent them in mail, have to call next week, and then you can click on update status. Now what will happen is after 3 or 4 days on the day of follow-up, you can click on this follow-up notification, and in this notification it will show that you need to perform this follow-up. And once you click on this follow-up, there will be a separate follow-up page where only the follow-up leads will be listed, and once you click on this particular view and go to the follow-ups, you will get to know the complete history of update that you had with this particular lead. So if you consider this particular lead, on June 6th you have made the first update, and then on June 10th and then June 14th. Now today you have made an update and you have to perform the next follow-up on 16th. And the complete communication update, whatever you have done for this lead, is available here. Since all these data is available in handy, there is no need for you to remember what was the communication that you had with this lead previously, and even if you are on leave, some other team member can easily take care of this lead and perform the additional follow-ups easily. Number 13, mobile app. Solid Performance CRM has got one of the best mobile app in the market with which you can easily manage all of your leads in an effective way. You can also make direct calls, send WhatsApp messages even without saving the contact, and perform lots of other functions similar to the web application in the mobile app as well. You can install the mobile app and check the complete functionality, or there is a separate video on mobile app functionality and you can check that. Number 14, document management. In case if you want to manage any document of a particular lead, you can easily manage it using Solid Performers. In order to upload any files for a particular lead, you can go to the view page and click on view 360-degree details, and in here you already have an option to manage all the uploaded files. In order to upload the files, you simply need to click on this actions and click on upload files, and whatever files which are uploaded will be available here and they can download it at any point in time. In this way, even if you have 1000 leads and they are sharing various other documents, in case primarily if you are in visa business or some other related business where you need to manage lots of documents, you can easily upload every document over here and filter these documents whenever you want it in future and download it easily. Number 16, perform multiple actions. These actions include, you can easily add notes to the lead, you can send an email to a lead, you can upload files, you can even download this particular lead details in a Word document and keep it. Or if you come to the leads page, you can also flag a particular lead. Whenever you flag a particular lead, that lead will come on top, and in case if you don't need this flag option anymore, you can unflag this particular lead. You have also got an option to convert this lead into an opportunity in one click, or you can also create a proposal for this particular lead in one click. Number 16, one-click conversion. As I was telling earlier, you can convert this particular lead into an opportunity in one click, and all the data which is available in lead will get transferred to the opportunity module in one click. So there is no need for you to fill the data again and again, and you can manage this particular lead in opportunity going forward. And since you have converted this particular lead into an opportunity, the status will get changed automatically to convert it to opportunity, and there won't be any other action button for this particular lead, so that your executive will understand that this is moved already to the next level. Number 17, lead scoring. With Solid Performance CRM, you can create lead scoring for your leads as per your business need, and you can define it for the leads so that you will understand the quality of this lead. In order to do that, go to settings, and under lead settings, you'll be having an option to define lead scoring. In here, you can define the requirement of the lead scoring, and based on this, the lead score will be calculated. Number 18, role-based access. You can restrict your users from accessing all the leads, and you can restrict what actions they should perform with this particular lead panel. The account, whatever I'm showing, is an admin account, and so all these features are available. But for a user, you can restrict whatever access you want to give. Let me show you how you can do that. In order to create a user access role, go to settings, and under general settings, you will be having an option to create user role settings. In here, if you want to create a new role, you can create a new role. And for this lead, if you want to give them only list access, then they should be able to see only the leads which was given to them. You can also give them view access, add access, but if you don't want them to edit, then there is no need for you to give edit access. If you don't want them to delete any data, then there is no need to give trash access. In a similar way, you can give all the access restriction, whatever you want to provide it to the user, and then create a role. So if you create a role as ABC and create it, now this role is created. Now if you go to users, and whenever you are adding a new user, for this particular user, you can define this ABC role. Once this role is defined to them, then they will be having access to perform only that particular set of actions which was allowed, and they are not allowed to perform any other actions apart from this. In this way, all your data will be kept in a secured and in a proper manner. Also, there won't be any duplication or conflict of interest in your team, as everyone is allocated with their particular set of leads and they are managing the leads in a proper way. Number 19, auto reassigning of leads. With the help of Solid Performance CRM, you can automatically reallocate the leads which was allocated to one executive in case if it is not answered or if they have not taken care of that particular lead in the given time span. In order to do that, go to settings, and under lead settings, you go to advanced settings. And in here, there is an option to reassign automatically if not responded, and you can define the time span. In case if you are defining it at 60 minutes, then once a lead is allocated to your sales executive, and if this sales executive is not responding in 60 minutes time span, then automatically this lead will get reassigned to some other executive. In this way, you can easily manage the leads even if an executive is on leave or they are busy with something else. Number 20, and the most important thing, is lead API settings. With the help of Solid Performance CRM, you can create multiple lead capture APIs and add it in your website or through any other third-party lead provider. All the leads from the third-party provider will get added to the CRM, and you can easily use this for passing leads from any lead sources even if the integration is not available with Solid Performance already. So in this way, there is no need for you to worry about whether integration is possible with Solid Performance or not, because the API is open and you can use it in any format. These are all the top 20 advanced functions which are available in Solid Performance lead management system. If you feel this CRM resonates your requirement, then sign up for a free trial with Solid Performance CRM and try it out. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more feature updates like this. Thank you.